So, sorry if my hair is a little messed up because this is my 5th time trying to shoot this video. And I'm agitated. So, here we go. This is the Lacefront Wig Issa and DRSMJade. It's like a gray type of color. It has 2 combs in the front, adjustable straps, and a comb in the back. Sorry if I'm a little down, but it's not my morning this morning. But I wanted to do the review on this wig so that you guys I could store it. So do I like it? It's cool. I mean, I saw girls on YouTube with this on and I was like, oh, they're my skin color, or I may look nice. I mean, here's what I don't like. It looks very wiggy here, so I'm going to have to pluck it and put my little baby hairs out. And I haven't done any of that. I just literally just have the wig on. It's not bad. I mean, maybe I'm just not used to things this color, but I don't know. Here's the back. Tell me what you guys think. I mean, you know, you guys know I don't usually do color, so nothing more for me to really say on this wig. I'll be glad when my iPhone gets fixed so I can shoot my videos on there better. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.